Bark box number 1, and let's see what we got for Miss Icy.
I see something.
Bark box position catcher. Are you the... Punch me out, hold up card, and position dog's face hole, and post a pic with bark box.
Do what?
You take this out, put Icy's face in it, and take a picture.
With the baseball cap.
You
I don't know if you like that one.
You punch it. No, you punch out the cardboard.
I don't know if you like that one.
I see what it is. This is... I see... Pretzel, beef jerky pretzel?
Look what she got. What she got?
See? That's one.
Told you.
The box for Icy.
It's a pretzel.
That's not all. Let's see. We've got Simple Wild, Free Range Wild Boar,
New treats.
I got also Joggers, peanut butter, real peanut butter with Berkeley Joggers.
She got a sushi box.
That's more treats.
She's like, oh, these.
That's not it. That's not it.
Not all.
Icicle.
What's that? The baseball mitt.
And look what else.
A ball. Let me see. Let me see, Sushi. Let me see, Sushi. Oh, boy.
I got a buck when I canceled it and I wasn't looking for it.
Oh, boy. How do you catch it? Give me that tag. I'm going to take the tag off.
She's like, give me, Remy.
Take the tag off.
You get all free.
Oh, it's got flames. What is this?
I
Guess you put her paw in it.
don't know. I think she can chew on it.
Yogi Pork, come here.